If you want to save a web page as a PDF in Mozilla Firefox, this tutorial will walk you through the quickest and easiest way to do it. Whether you need to keep an article for offline reading, save a receipt, archive research, or share a web page in a clean, printable format, Firefox makes the process simple. And if you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox and go to the web page you want to save. This can be any page on the internet, whether it's a blog post, a news article, a document, or a web page full of useful information that you want to keep as a PDF. Once the page is loaded, you need to open the main menu. On Windows, Linux, or Mac, you can do this by clicking the menu button in the top right corner of Firefox. That is the button with 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, choose Print. If you prefer using your keyboard, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl+P on Windows or Linux, or CMD+P on a Mac. This is often the fastest way to bring up the print options. After that, Firefox will open the print preview window. This is where you can control exactly how your web page will be saved. Look for the destination drop-down menu. This is the most important setting because it tells Firefox where to send the file. In the drop-down, select Save to PDF. If you are using Windows and see Microsoft Print to PDF instead, that works too. Both options let you create a PDF version of the web page. Now take a moment to customize your page settings. On the side panel, you can adjust things like orientation, paper size, margins, and whether you want background colors and images included. If the web page has a clean layout, portrait mode may be the best choice. But if the page is wide like a spreadsheet or dashboard, landscape can look much better. You can also decide whether to include backgrounds, which is helpful if you want the PDF to match the web page more closely. It's a good idea to preview the page before saving, so you can make sure everything looks right. If the page is cut off, too small, or missing important visual elements, go back and adjust the settings until it looks the way you want. A few small changes here can make a big difference in the final PDF. When everything looks good, click Save. If you are using the Windows native print dialog, you may need to click Print first instead. After that, your computer will ask you where you want to save the file. Choose the folder you want, give the PDF a clear file name, and then click. Save again to confirm. That's it. Firefox will generate the PDF and store it on your device. Once the file is saved, you can open it anytime with a PDF reader, attach it to an email, upload it to cloud storage, or print it later if needed. This makes it a great way to keep important web content in a portable format. So now you know how to save a web page to PDF in Mozilla Firefox in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.